Say hello to Roy, a beloved cat whose playful spirit and left a lasting impression on his family. Today, we honor Roy's memory by bringing his likeness back to life through the art of felting. Roy was more than just a pet. He was a cherished family member. Due to illness, he passed away suddenly last year, left his family heartbroken. Our adventure begins with the modest bit of wool, which will quickly turn into a heartfelt memorial to Roy. Each fiber is carefully selected, mirroring Roy's unique fur patterns and colors. Our expert artist molds the wool with precision, care, love, and instilling Roy's character in each strand. This approach involves not only replicating Roy's physical features, but also conveying his joyful and loving character.